Hey guys, back. Got a bunch of projects going on, but to finish up those projects and get everything set for them, needed to do another project. So before you saw me do the swing arm camera mount, and that worked out pretty well. The one downside with it is it sits behind me, so if I move my chair, I can bump into those sorts of things. So I had to come up with something else, so I ended up doing another mount. This mount actually mounts to my workbench, so it's a lot more stable, should give a lot better shots, and it also is semi-permanent. So it's always in place and I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to show you that mount. I'll spin it around here so you get to see my wonderful cluttered desk. But this is the mount, so I'll try and come around so you can see the whole thing, or most of it anyway. It's a pretty straightforward mount. I've got a ladder. So I've got a base, which I've actually screwed down to the top of this rail. But I've got a U-shaped base. Then I've got a ladder type setup, which is in here that does adjust. So let me bring this out so you can see I can bring it up or down, so I can get the camera where I want it. I also have a second hinge here at where the camera is, so that I can level it out as needed. And then I'm using the same style little ball mount. These are practically nothing. But what I did on the back of it was I mounted it and gave myself a little slot. What this allows me to do is center the lens based on the camera I'm using. So right now I have my still camera up there, but when I put my video camera or if I put my big DSLR up there, they'll all fit on this particular mount. It's all glued and screwed, so it's a pretty durable setup. And this is what I'm going to start using from now on to shoot some of my assembly videos, and really with the way that it goes, because it actually tilts down far enough, if I really wanted to, I can actually use it for shooting the regular videos as well. So I can actually bring it down and just spin the camera around, and then I'd be able to shoot videos of myself. So this gives you a little bit more insight to what I'm doing. Gotta get the bench cleared off. I mean, there are actually bits and pieces of some of the projects I'm working on. I think there's something there, and there's something over there that I'm working on. So there's all kinds of little tidbits and things on the desk now, but this is really all I wanted to show you. Just wanted to show you the mount. Like I said, pretty simple design. Definitely it's going to make things a lot easier, because I don't have to worry about setting up the camera and all the other fun stuff. It's just set. I can hit my remote for my camera, take my shots, and go. So, talk to you guys later.